Hej så. Den her opgave, det er en mundtlig opgave. Det er dokumentation 2, Aspects of Britain. Det er i den mundtlige opgave blev det stillet til opgave at lave en lydfil, hvor vi ud fra de to digte, The White Man's Burden og Listen Mrs. Oxford, samt teksten Salom Brick Lane, at kommentere de forskellige holdninger til andre kulturer, der findes i teksterne. Hvor det ene spørgsmål er, what is the meaning behind the white man's burden? Og det andet er de tidsvarende, eller hvordan vil man læse dem i dag? Det første spørgsmål, what is the meaning behind the white man's burden? Er that the meaning of the white man's burden is to define white imperialism and colonialism in moral terms as a burden that the white man must take up in order to help the immigrants or non-white races to develop civilization. So that the white race must take up in order to help the immigrants or non-white race develop civilization beneath its unlovely surface and inner world where the immigrants and asylum seekers are struggling to better themselves every day in a dream of escape, like a journey of discovered by an outsider in its own narrative city. Det andet spørgsmål er, om det er tidsvarende, eller hvordan vil man læse dem i dag? Altså man kan sige, at det er tidsvarende, that in the 60s and 70s, the cultural relativism dominated most with moral beliefs, values and habits, that they together form the basics for the population's behavior, love and customs. Så i forhold til spørgsmålet om det tidsvarende, so you can say that in the 60s and 70s, the cultural relativism dominated most with moral beliefs, values, habits that they together formed with basics for a population's behavior, law and customs. Så det var de to spørgsmål, og den mundtlige opgave den slutter her. Så hej så.